Hello, beauties! Welcome back. This video is specially for my chocolate beauties. We will discuss all the 20+ tips that will actually transform your look and boost your confidence. Let's get started. Starting with skincare, double cleanse, the most important part of skincare. Depending on your skin type, take an oil base or water-based cleanser and gently massage it on your face. Double cleansing allows your face to fully clean any leftover makeup produce or any dust that's stuck on the face. It is one of the important steps that you can add in your night routine. As a chocolate beauty, it is more likely to be prone to hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone, acne marks. Here are few things you can do to keep the complexion and event out the skin tone. Ice cube massage. The best way to increase blood circulation on the face, allowing a healthy and brighter skin, reducing puffiness and dark circles, making your pores tight, reduce oiliness and ease acne. But if your skin gets irritated due to icing, then use a frozen cucumber. Slice a cucumber into two, pop them into the freezer and gently massage all over your face. This is also a great replacement for gua sha. Cucumber face mask. Cut a cucumber into thin, fine slices, pop them into the freezer until they get a little cool. Apply them all over your face and leave it on for 4 to 5 minutes. This face pack also has the same benefits as ice cubes and frozen cucumber. Try whichever you find easy. For additional benefits, soak the cucumber slices into the rice water for 30 minutes. Apply all over and done. Turmeric face mask. Turmeric is like a secret weapon for us chocolate girlies. This is a game changer. To make it, all you need is honey, yogurt, or milk and turmeric. Mix and done. Just remember to do a patch test before applying it all over. And trust me on this, you will definitely thank me later. You can also use this turmeric pack on your elbows, fingers, knees, any area that has hyperpigmentation on it. Keep your skin moisturized, find the products that work for you, and stick to it. Create a simple morning and night skincare routine. Protect your skin from sun damage by using SPF 30+ sunscreen, and not only your face, but all over the body, especially the area that is being exposed to the sun. Make sure to reapply every 3 to 4 hours. Keep your lips moisturized, stay hydrated, and use lip balm. Using a lip scrub is a great way to get rid of dead skin and flakes on the lips, keeping them soft. Of course, we can make lip scrub ourselves by mixing honey and brown sugar. Massage your lips for 5 to 10 minutes, then wipe it off. Apply lip balm on it to lock in the moisture. As a chocolate beauty, having two-toned lips is a blessing. Just pop on some lip gloss and you're ready to slay. Also, avoid licking your lips. It's bad. Now, when you smile with those beautiful lips, you gotta take care of your teeth, right? Oil pulling. The best, easiest, and affordable way to brighten your teeth, strengthens your gum, and removes harmful bacteria, covering the oral hygiene. To do this, the first thing you're gonna do is take a spoonful of organic coconut oil. Start by swishing it around your mouth for 5 minutes, then work it up to 20 minutes. Spit it out in a container and brush your teeth like you normally would. Easy, right? Curl your lashes to make those beautiful eyes pop. Use lash serum or castor oil every night to grow long and strong lashes. Hair care. No matter your hair type is 1A or 4C, moisturizing is key. Use leave-in conditioner and have a good hair care routine. Learn about your hair type and only use products that your hair needs. Hair glow adds a crown to your overall glow. Deep conditioner weekly to keep them healthy. I will soon upload a video on hair care routine for beauties with hair type between 2C to 4C. Stay tuned. Try different hairstyles like braids, buns, and more to retain length. If you're a hijabi, make sure to use a cotton undercap. This allows your hair to breathe. And do make sure to secure your hair comfortably. Use silk bonnet to protect your hair while sleeping or change your pillowcase to silk. Body care. For your beautiful skin to shine, exfoliate. Using a exfoliating glove. This removes all the dead skin from the body, preventing ingrown hair and any bump and blemishes. Next, scrub your body for that soft, smooth, and shiny skin. I have shared tons of easy DIY scrub home remedies. Make sure to check them out. After the shower, as your skin is 40% damp, apply body lotion all over and let it dry. Using lotion on a damp skin allows it to fully absorb the product. Smell good. Use a body mist of your favorite scent after the moisturizer, and after your overall makeover, use a perfume with the same scent as your body mist. Hand care. Use hand cream to keep your hands moisturized and avoid the aging of hands. Cut and reshape your nails every week. Peel them clean. Avoid plucking on skin around the nails. Makeup. Have a everyday simple yet natural looking makeup. This will not only make your features pop, but also boost your confidence. Keep your body moving. Pick a hobby that helps you move your body like dancing. Keep your body physically active. Exercise 3 to 4 times a week. Outfit. Create your personal style, try different patterns, and see which one makes you feel more confident. And most important tips of the video. Feel comfortable in your body, no matter what others say. It's your mind and your duty to keep your mind clean. Focus on stuff that you enjoy doing and things that makes you happy. That was all for the video. Make sure to like and share with your friends and family. See y'all in the next one. Till then, take care.